iPhone photos not loading, iPhone photos unable to load, iPhone gallery photos not loading. So if you took some pictures and the Photos app is maybe for some weird reason not being able to process them, there could be a couple of reasons behind it. First is make sure that you have got enough storage. So you can simply open up your app store or your settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, and just analyze whether or not you have got storage left, because sometimes due to lack of storage is the reason why your Photos app is not being able to process the photos or sometimes store them for some reason. So you want to make sure you have storage. Other thing is, make sure if you are trying to restore it from iCloud, make sure that you have got your strong internet connection, and once you've done that, you'll be able to hopefully solve the problem. So last but not the least, you can also try checking for a software update on your iPhone, and if it does have an update, then make sure to update it to the latest version. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.